Hi, and in today's video, what? Why is there a mess on my ground? Oh yeah, it was when there was a bug on my wall, so I just swatted at it with a blanket, but then I hit my like a container, and like it just spilled everything that was in it, and I left it since that night. Ah, maybe I should add to it. Okay, so I'll clean that up later. But today we're gonna talk about the radiative. Oh wait, oh yeah, radiative physics of the greenhouse effect. Global warming, guys. It's kind of hot, bro. Can we just cool down the summers a little? It's kind of hot, bro. Can we just turn down the sun for like a couple minutes? It's kind of hot. Okay, so we're gonna talk about section 1, the energy budget, or thermal equilibrium and radiative fluxes. So the Earth's global energy balance is a radiative equilibrium, and Earth maintains its temperature by balancing incoming shortwave solar radiation with outgoing longwave thermal radiation. So there's insulation where around 340 W over M2 M squared is average solar flux. There's also albedo, which is 30% of energy is reflected by clouds, ice, and aerosols. And the net balance of these are any imbalances will lead to warming or cooling of the planetary system. So if you just look at this, I'll give you a quick sec to look at it because all my graphs are beautiful. But uh, what? Free Chipotle? Yo, I want free Chipotle. Why not give that to me? Do I have it? Oh, hold on. This is an emergency. Free guac. Hold on, I need to complain why I don't have free entree. Okay, we're gonna talk about the atmospheric blanket now. With shortwave input of solar radiation peaks in the visible spectrum, and the atmosphere is largely transparent to these wavelengths, which allows energy to reach and heat the surface. And we have also long wave capture where the heated Earth emits thermal infrared radiation, greenhouse, and greenhouse gases absorb and re-emit this energy, trapping heat in the lower atmosphere. So that's why it's so hot, bro. So I got a tape measure. I'm gonna measure how hot the sun is. 2 feet. Okay, so now we're gonna go into a deep dive in molecular mechanics and why only some molecules are greenhouse gases. So that is because of symmetry and dipole moments. So infrared activity. So for a molecule to absorb IR radiation, its dipole movement must change during a vibration. So we have diatomic gases N2O2. Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, never mind. So we have homonuclear. Oh my, yo, I feel like I'm about to sneeze every time I start talking. We have homonuclear molecules have no change in dipole movement, so they are IR transparent. But we have greenhouse gases which are asymmetric or multi-atomic molecules, CO2, H2O, or CH4. And these have vibrational modes that interact with IR, as you can see here. Okay, we could talk about vibration modes of carbon dioxide. So the bending is key since the bending mode of CO2 peaks at 50 micrometers, and this aligns perfectly with Earth's peak thermal emission wavelength. And this asymmetric stretch occurs at 4.26 micrometers, and though powerful, it falls in falls in a region where Earth emits less energy than in the 15 microband, as you can see here. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Look at the fading, bro. So we have the atmospheric window, which is a critical region of the IR spectrum around 8 to 13 micrometers, where the atmosphere is transparent and the greenhouse gases like CFCs and ozone are dangerous because they absorb energy within this narrow escape route. And if you can look past this, you can look at the graph in the background. I'll give you a couple of seconds to look at that while I scroll. Okay, I think that you had enough time to absorb the knowledge. You gotta absorb it. You can't even think about it. You gotta absorb the. Look how beautiful it is outside, even though you can't see what I'm seeing. It's so beautiful. Maybe I should measure how big that cloud is. 1 foot and 4 inches. I wish I could grow that much. So we're gonna talk about the potency and global warming potential. So with carbon dioxide, so global warming potential is 1. And over 5,200 years, and bending mode at 15 micrometers, maybe nano. I don't know. But we have methane, which is 28. Seems kind of bad. Nitrous oxide 273. CFC sounds like KFC. But a CFC 11 4,600. Damn, 45 years. Oh, it's only absorbs in the IR window. Wow. So here is the global emissions of CO2. This seems kind of bad. Like, maybe you should like level out, maybe go down a little. Based on the Wana lower observatory data, March 24 saw a record year over year increase of 4.7 parts per million. That I don't think that's good, chat. I think we should just keep moving. So amplifying the warming. So we have ice albedo, which are melting ice reveals dark ocean land, which absorbs more solar energy, leading to further melting. There's also water vapor with warmer air holds more moisture, and water vapor is a potent GHG, which creates a massive self-reinforcing cycle. There's also carbon sinks, which warming can dry out forests and peatlands, turning them from carbon absorbers into carbon emitters. Wow. So that can't be good. Pretty sure they melt icebergs too, and that increases the like ocean level as well. So coastal cities are gonna be cooked. So if I was you, maybe move out the Everglades. Oh, I don't even know. Is it Everglades? Isn't the Everglades in Florida, like in the river? I don't know. I don't know. They have alligators there, so I'm scared. But if you have any questions about this, uh, just don't pay attention to any of these. Jerry doesn't know what he's doing, and he keeps putting these random emails. I don't know. So don't pay attention to that. But we have the image sources here, and yeah. So if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And is there anything else I need to say? If we like reduce global warming, right? Doesn't that mean it'll be colder in the winter? Wait, doesn't it enhance both seasons? So wouldn't that mean there's more snow at ski resorts where I can do black diamonds? Ho ho! I'm gonna learn a backflip. this year. If I get to 1 million subscribers, backflip. Next video is a backflip. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.